Hello guys, Mona here from Raw Strength. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite warm-up exercises to do for the front rack mobility for either the front squat or the clean. First exercise that I'll be showing you today is with the foam roller. So you can just lay on the floor. Basically we are just going to be mobilizing or rolling out the triceps and the lat area. The next warm-up exercise we will be doing, you will need a half a foam roller, okay? This is a very strange piece of equipment. If you don't have that, you can also use a yoga block, and if you don't have a yoga block, you can actually just do it flat on the floor. It doesn't matter. This exercise is really great to loosen up the shoulders. I've been doing this for a very long time and it's helped my lifting tremendously with my shoulder mobility, for not just my cleans but even for my snatches as well. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to place it on the ground. It's basically going to start from where your mid back is. You're going to put it straight on your spine. You want to make sure that your hips is flat. It's going to be internal and external rotation of your arms. The next warm-up exercise we'll be doing, you will only need a stick or a PVC pipe, and if you don't have that, it's also okay, then you don't need to use anything at all. Okay, so you can use a bench. You're going to put your elbows on the bench, basically in the same position as where you would be in a clean. You're going to push your head through and extend up. With this exercise, you'll feel a really good stretch in the shoulders as well as the triceps and the lats. So for the next warm-up exercise, you will need a kettlebell. And quickly before I start the warm-up exercise, guys, if you go to the link in the description, you will get a free ebook on how to fix your snatch and your clean and jerk. There'll be 16 exercises that you can look at. Okay, so for now, we're going to take a kettlebell. You're going to put it behind your back like this, and you're going to feel a stretch down your tricep and your lat. You can hold this exercise for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Last but not least, you're going to be using your barbell. You'll be putting it behind your neck. You're basically going to be relaxing your fingers, and you're going to be letting the barbell just relax on your fingers while you push your elbows up. Make sure that your back is nice and straight. You don't want to lean back. Again, you'll feel a nice stretch down your triceps and your shoulders, even your lats.